Hello students, welcome to biology class. Today we are going to discuss the second important component of the cell, that is cytoplasm. You already know beta that the cell is having three major components, that is cell membrane, cytoplasm and the nucleus. So in the previous video I have told you about cell membrane and its function. Now today we are going to discuss about the second component, that is cytoplasm. Now what is cytoplasm? Beta, inside the cell there is a semi-liquid or jelly-like liquid which is known as cytoplasm. Okay, that cytoplasm is surrounded by the cell membrane. So actually the cytoplasm, it is contained within the cell membrane and it occupies the major portion of the cell within the cell membrane. Now you can see here, cytoplasm is a semi-liquid substance, which I told you it is a semi-liquid substance. It is jelly-like. Okay, it occupies most part of the cell within the cell membrane. Now the cytoplasm is dense inside the cell. It is occupying the most area inside the cell. Okay, the cell membrane is surrounding that semi-fluid, okay, which is known as cytoplasm. It appears colorless, partly transparent and somewhat watery. Now when you observe it under compound microscope, okay, you all know compound microscope, it magnifies the images of the cell. So when you are going to observe the cytoplasm under the compound microscope, what you will observe? You will observe that the cytoplasm, it is what? It is colorless. It is not having any color. Okay, partly transparent. It is partly transparent. It means you can see through it a little bit, not completely. It is partly transparent. Like we can say, you have heard about transparent, translucent and opaque object. So it is translucent. Okay, and somewhat watery. Now you already know it is semi-liquid, semi-fluid. That's why it is somewhat a little bit watery. Okay. Then beta, many chemical reactions takes place in the cytoplasm. Now all the metabolic activities means the constructive activities as well as the destructive activities of the body, it is taking place in the cytoplasm. That's why it is written here, many chemical reactions, all the living reactions which are important for the growth and development of the body, it takes place in the cytoplasm. And one more thing is, when in living condition, the living cytoplasm, it is always in a state of some movement. Okay, it always moves. Okay, so this is the second component of the cell, that is cytoplasm, and these are the general features of the cytoplasm.